Why is Telegram people nearby not showing? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out why the Telegram people nearby option is not showing from the latest update of Telegram. So let's just go ahead and look out for the reasons. So, the people nearby feature on Telegram is likely not showing because Telegram has officially removed it from the app, citing issues with bots and scammers, meaning this functionality is no longer available for most users. So, Telegram has completely decided to remove the people nearby feature. So if you're looking for that feature, unfortunately the latest update does not give us that feature. Due to the concerns about the potential abuse from bots and scammers led to its removal. Some of the older versions might still have that feature. So if you're seeing the people nearby on an older version of Telegram, it's because this feature has not been updated on that version yet. So therefore, now you know why is Telegram people nearby not showing. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.